It's really easy. It's taking just the time of cooking and wash a little bit the vegetables. You will do the dimmi una parola, Zac! Hi all, welcome to Cucina with Daniela. Today I found these beautiful vegetables to my Turkish shop close by. I will make a risotto with the watercress. The ingredients are really simple, and we're gonna have a little bit of wine, some rice for risotto, black pepper, a nut of butter, onion, some Parmesan, salt, and one veggie bouillon. It will be done in 10-15 minutes. It will be really nice, simple, taste and healthy. So let's do together. Andiamo a cucinare con passione il nostro risotto. After I wash vegetables, I will cut them. Of course, you can do the same things with the spinach in case you don't find these vegetables. The same I will do with the onion. Extra virgin onion. Here I start already to put the water with the bouillon. So really easy. When the onion is frying, you just put the rice and you let a little bit toast it. You can put some wine. Start to add some water. Now that our risotto it's almost ready, so it's like 5-8 minutes to the actually the end, I will add our watercress inside. Perfect, ready, really nice. So, il nostro risotto with the watercress is ready. Sharing and carry with your friends. See the ingredients and the process below my recipe. Thanks for support me. I wish you a good day and let's try. How is this risotto? Delizioso, buonissimo. See you soon and ciao from Daniela. See you next time.